What's up, everybody? So we are here at the next location. We just grabbed a bunch of goods, and right now we're distributing them. So that's the story. A whole lot of words aren't needed, you know. I would say that the visuals speak for themselves. There's a lot of people in need, and we are trying our best to fulfill some of that need. We just stopped at a distribution center, and we grabbed Pampers, paper towels, candy, snacks, food, juice. Walmart. So we're doing the thing. You know, there's still so much that needs to be done. Maybe check with Adam, see if he needs any help. Maybe. So we're just helping where we can, and we're just one of many. We're one of many. There's a lot of people in need all over the place, and there's a lot of people doing this work right now. So I would like to take a second to commend the people that have been doing this every single day, back to back to back, every single day.
I have 2, and I have 6, and I have 3. 3? 6?
I'm gonna take a quick walk, show you around this camp, and we'll see what we see. Little doggies, hello. Hi, little doggies. Hi. ¿Cómo está, papi? Hola, papi. Oh. Calm, chill. Happy dogs. Buena. So, this is obviously a camp. You know, this is people's homes for now. I gotta say, they look nice compared to some of the other ones that I've seen so far. The reason why I say the word nice is because I've seen, obviously if you've gone on the web, you've seen people that are sleeping outside, right? So above and beyond that, I've seen pop-up tents that are more for like business use, for events. And the pop-up tents, the problem with the pop-up tents are they stop here. They don't have anything to block the wind, to block the rain, to block the elements. So these are nice, these are nicer than what I've seen before. But obviously it still sucks. I'm sure they'd rather be comfortable in their homes, but this is what we're looking at right now, and this is the real uncut truth right now. This is no sugar coating. You know, we're literally just in a parking lot. I'm sure some people are sleeping in their homes. You know? So this is the uncut, unedited, just raw truth of what's going on right now. All right, well, I am gonna get going. Actually, maybe I'll do see if I can get a quick interview with somebody who's on the ground, you know, who knows, like, when I say on the ground, meaning somebody who's been doing this. They know what's going on, they know what's needed, where it's needed. Live.
Yes, live. Can you ask some questions? Just understand how long they've been here, what the home situations are like. I mean,
What's needed?
What's needed? Who's been coming to give support here?
Sí. ¿Cuánto tiempo están ustedes?
Estamos desde el día 7.
Desde el día
3 days. They'll be here like until 7.
And ¿cuál es la situación a tu casa?
¿Cómo está la situación en los hogares ahora mismo?
Mi hogar se cayó por tercera vez. Y estamos aquí porque afuera hay un peligro para nosotros. Y vamos a estar aquí hasta que pueda dar la ayuda. Hay algunos que han perdido casa, porque cuando uno está pidiendo refugio es que está lleno de otros que vinieron de los otros pueblos. Y la única chance es venir aquí. Porque está peligroso quedarse en la calle. En la calle
Translate in English.
Okay, por favor, ya en inglés, un poco en inglés. What she said?
It's very dangerous.
Very
to
dangerous.
sleep in the street.
Claro,
I just
sí.
lost my house for third time. I just waited.
Third time.
Yeah. I just waited for
lo siento.
that. So we can be sleeping out in the street. We have
Claro.
to come here and sleep here.
Por supuesto,
And
sí.
we need people to help us.
Sí. What
We love a lot of things. We live in the house. If some people here live in the apartment because they be shaking too much, they be scared.
Sí.
But maybe if I go later to my son's house, already they steal my stuff. But they be stealing too.
Lo siento.
That's what is happening.
So, right now, what is the situation?
Okay, right here is we stay here because we need help.
Okay.
We need help. And this is more security than any place.
Then inside the house,
It's
porque
strong,
you don't have to worry about the
ground is
roof.
more strong.
Sí, sí. Entiendo.
And the food and the...
Yeah, we need food, we need blanket, we need meals, we need water, we need food, because we even got money to buy food.
Sí.
We don't got nothing, because over here they give nothing.
Are you feeling a lot of the earthquakes aquí? Are you feeling the ground shaking aquí?
Yes, a lot,
Mucho?
yes,
Yeah?
a lot. Yeah,
Wow.
we struggle a lot. Every 15 minutes, every half an hour.
Wow.
Then in the night, it's dangerous.
The night, it seems like it's the worst, huh?
Yeah, the
I
worst.
get alarms.
Yes.
And alarms anoche, beep, 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 beep. Pero on the day, not as much.
Not so much.
But-
Well, they be high 5'7", 5'6",
Yeah,
4'9".
sí. Entiendo.
It's very dangerous.
Entiendo. Okay. Well, we're gonna do our best to keep coming back and let the world know what's going on. Gracias por tus palabras. Gracias. Muchas gracias.
On the floor.
Gracias.
We need mattress.
Mattress.
We're sleeping in the floor because the car is like me. I got 16 years old. I can still sleep in it.
Sí.
And we're not on the car.
Gracias por compartir.
Okay.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias a ustedes.
In the night, this stays full very
Es full aquí.
Yeah, and some people go to church. That's why not a lot of people.
Oh, porque
Some
church.
people go. No,
Sí.
church. We don't have no church at all.
Oh, okay.
They go to the house to check the house and finish the small things they have.
Okay.
No, it's because danger. That's
Okay.
why the night this is full even maybe 1,000 people
Wow.
because it's very dangerous
Sí.
to be outside.
Entiendo. Okay. Gracias por compartir. Muchas gracias. ¿Tienes niños?
Yeah, we have a lot of kids.
¿A dónde?
We have a lot of kids.
Okay, I brought some stuff for kids.
Sí, y Eduardo está So, mucha gente está durmiendo en tus carros.
Yeah, almost everybody.
¿Y cuántos días hasta?
You don't have a mattress.
No tiene. Lo siento, no tengo. Lo siento. I got some stuff for kids. Lo siento. Okay.
Oh, no, we gave to someone.
You want to give it to me? I give it to them right there.
¿A dónde?
In the top.
Okay, gracias. We're gonna give away some stuff for kids right now. I went to Walmart this morning and I grabbed, I mean, it's a tough situation, and this is just like me leveling with you. It's like, what do you buy? You go to Walmart, what do you buy? I mean, there's a lot of water. You see trucks filled with water on the way. But I guess you can't go wrong with anything, to a certain degree. But I gravitated towards toys and towards things that will keep children busy. Niñas, niños.
Give us a little helping hand.
Niñas, niños. ¿A dónde?
Aquí hay.
Plenty of families here.
Got some of this. Toma. De nada. Slime for fun.
Ese es Osmo.
Do you think
Oh,
that
actually.
you could highlight, not for me, I don't need it, just give it to the kids.
No, gracias.
Or to the adults.
Yeah, these are for fun, kids and adults.
Because could you do me a big favor? I want you to see
I'm
this.
listening.
I've reached out to various government officials, even to the highest levels. Okay? These tents were not set up properly. Look at this.
Okay.
Look at this down here. They don't have the stakes that are supposed to brace these poles. They're
Sure.
Look at that one over there. See how it's leaning?
Entiendo, yeah.
Look over there, they're constantly falling over. You have kids in here.
Yeah.
That's gonna fall on somebody. That's gonna hurt someone.
Yeah.
And we've reached out to the Army, Reserve here, National Guard, everyone. They come take some pictures and do nothing.
Yeah, I mean, I don't really have anything positive to say about that.
Yeah,
other than there's people without these.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So I would say, again, it's not positive. It's not very.
Yeah, but all it takes is just a couple of these metal stakes that they used here.
Here's
All you gotta
my
do is use them there.
here's my uncut, no BS response, which is there's a lot of people without these. So I would suggest some community leaders get together, and figure it out.
Okay.
Because there's so many people that don't have these sides to protect them from the rain. They don't even have that.
Yeah.
So granted, it should be done properly. Right? All right, obviously.
To avoid.
But damn, man, I mean, that one of my first things when I rolled in this parking lot was like, wow, they have sidewalls. They have protection from the rain. They're lucky.
Yeah.
And that's a shitty thing to feel, right? But that's just my real, honest opinion.
Compared to what other places you've seen.
Exactly, man. So some people don't have zero tent, and then some people have tents that they just stop about here. So I mean, all you need is a tiny gust of wind, and you're gonna get rain all over people.
Yeah.
So not good. Right? I mean, somebody needs to fix it.
Places.
Yeah, I mean, some people need to get together. If it's not going to be government, some community leaders.
Want to do it?
Some community leaders got to get together and make it happen for now because and I feel terrible saying this because
it's true.
It sucks.
Yeah.
But wow, I mean, those things are way better than some of the other ones I've seen.
Yep.
Oh, I feel terrible saying the words I'm saying, man.
But
but that's just me. I'm a realist, and I'm kind of one of those people that I'm not great at biting my tongue. So I mean, I'd be willing to help out if I can. I don't have any tools.
That's
but
the thing. We don't even have the tools. If we just had the tools, I don't even need anybody to help us. Just give us the tools.
Yeah.
And we'll do it. Because it's not that many.
I have no problem. I would actually like to, man. I mean, if there's something I can do while we're here.
Like if we just
I'm all about it, man.
If we had those metal stakes and just a good mallet.
Yeah, that's one of the things. Is a real strong mallet because you're gonna have to penetrate the concrete.
Or if you had like those hydraulic ones that could just go in one shot. Boom,
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's a great point. It's good you're bringing it up and paying attention to it because, like the other night, we got some real gusts.
Exactly, and then we've got the shaking today. Every time it shakes, one of the poles goes out.
We're gonna be like that 6 months.
6 months. That's
They
insane.
said they're gonna take Ponce, Aguadilla, all the people to go to San Juan to be.
Oh my gosh. All right, let me touch.
Very similar to a seismic event that happened in 1867 in the same area.
Wow.
It shook for 6 months.
Tomatoes.
I don't have them. No tengo. Lo siento.
She says that she's going to buy one. I did some. I don't know the guy.
Okay, well, let me touch base with my team, and I also want to grab some coloring books because I brought coloring books, but I haven't been able to give them out. So yeah, I got Play-Doh, but I want to grab some coloring books for the kids. Keep their mind occupied, you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll be right back. De nada, bro. De nada, bro. All right, so I'm gonna end this live stream. We're gonna keep doing our thing. I just wanted to do a quick update. This turned into more of that, but yeah, I mean, this is one of many places. This is one of many places that need a lot of help, and you know, there's only obviously so much any one person can do. So, you know, get together with teams and with crews, and do what you can. You know, that's all we can all do is do what we can and keep pushing forward. Stay productive. All right, I'm gonna grab some coloring books and toys for kids. What I brought was the wrong bag, so yeah, I'll end this on a thank you. You know, a thank you to a lot of the crews, Helping Hands for Puerto Rico, Somos Gente, Puerto Rico. I'm probably not saying names right. I apologize, but yeah, Protechos, Integro Foundation. There's a lot of great people doing a lot of great work here. Effortless or tireless, like endless work. So thanks for tuning in. As always, it's a pleasure to bring you some up-to-date information on what's going on, and I'll be back soon. Thanks.